This is Suzette for Cloudy Sky today. Well, bird making. Who knew that making birds, trying to use shredded paper, paper mache, pardon me, cardboard, old tubes from toilet paper and paper towels would be so hard? Well, they are. This is one of my first attempts. I don't think I ever did this when I did art back in high school. Paper mache. I know I did like tie dye and another form of dyeing material along with painting and but I never really got into the 3D craft so much anything to do with sculpturing. And let me tell you, the whole cardboard bending it, I still have it. I haven't finished it. Maybe I just need to paint to make it look more realistic. But yeah, not easy at all and very time consuming. Those videos online and probably mine too make you think you did this in 20 minutes. It's over several days. Paper mache has to dry. You can't just keep adding and adding. You gotta let it dry overnight. Sometimes dry for a couple of days before you can do the second layer. So my attempt at the paper mache is still ongoing. Hence why you may have missed me in a week. I was busy crafting. Next, I found this one about hummingbirds. I will put the link below for the YouTube, and hey, maybe you can do it faster than I can, and let me know how easy it was to follow along. They included templates, so a hummingbird or a doctor bird. The difference is the nose and stuff. I looked at picture the differences. So I made an attempt to say, okay, I'm gonna follow this video to a point, and then I'm gonna add in certain parts that are the doctor bird. I did the best, and I will share what I come up with. I still need to do some painting because my initial painting that I did on the green paper don't look too nice. I used some of that ribbon, a black ribbon, for the tail, and I used for the, I guess, beak, a toothpick. But I realized, looking at the Dr. Bird image, I'm gonna have to, get some iridescent paint and probably try and paint the wings with a bit of gold and green. I have to put the eyes in. I'm looking at the picture right now. The head has a little bit of black on top, and the bottom part of the body has a little bit of black, pretty much that black, gold, and green. The beak really isn't red, but it's not exactly gold either. It has a tinge of red in it, it has a tinge of black in it. The eyes, yeah, that might give me a little trouble forming the eyes. I might have to try and draw on some eyes. But the wing has green, like an iridescent green, and then it goes into an iridescent gold. I think I put the wings on backwards instead of being forward like in the picture. I might have to try this again. And then, if anything, do the paint job afterwards. I would say my favorite thing about this is nothing. Nothing has been my favorite thing. On one hand, I get to be crafty, but I've come to the conclusion that being crafty, I need more practice on. So right now, it just feels like a lot of work. So, I will put the links of the videos, I've been trying. And you can tell me whether I'm over exaggerating or not, but so far this has been a fail. That is my conclusion to this. And you know what? To end this video, I'll let you see what I continue doing. I'll let you see the bird. But I am going to play you a little bit of my favorite thing to do, which I don't do well either. Some music. Where's my keyboard? And even that's working. Oh wait, it's unplugged. So we know practice makes perfect. So I guess I'm gonna go practice because you know what? I have this vision of birds in a garden. I don't want to make these birds. So guess what? Oh wait, I get to go on vacation before that, and then when I come back, I get to, like I am right now, trying to detox, get rid of all that smoke that kind of like congest up my lungs, and just drink some tea and try and eat a little bit healthy. Healthy meaning I cook my own food, just after going away. Yeah, doing a little ginger turmeric action. I must say, maybe the card stock was easier. Can't really say though. Or I mean, but I did save back some more things, and I saw some advice where I could do the paper mache and maybe use something to hold it together, like old water bottles. So we'll see what works. And charge up my phone camera with the chest press and see how that goes. So let's enjoy the music. So this has been my attempt at making birds, and I hope if you know of any easier ways of making paper mache birds, more step by step for me, please share in the comments below because I would love to be able to make some birds. I do have a lot of material still left over. I have a bunch of paper I shredded. I have this Mod Podge. I got some glue. I got some plastic bottles. I got some tubes, from that I had saved. Or let me know if I need to throw them out. Until next time, bye.